Hello, so I got your email and it sounds like you're a little confused about how to navigate the Blackboard site where our assignments are being loaded up. So the first thing to do is, of course, you log into Blackboard. You got to go to the course Blackboard site, not the lab site. You'll have two different ones for chemistry. So yours will say this, 125 to 220, and it's CRN 10741. So you want to click on that. There's more navigation information and some videos on the Start Here tab. It would probably be a good idea to start with that material, but in finding out what you're actually supposed to be working on, there's 3 places to look. The first one is Alex stuff is always on this tab, so you'll click that and go and work on whatever topics are up there for the week. The other place to look for assignments is in the module. So this last week we were in weeks 1 and 2, so most of the stuff so far has been posted there. These are the reading assignments. These are links you can click on. This is a quick rundown of all the stuff that's due for week 1. This was your first group assignment. Everybody needs to submit that by clicking on this black link and then following the directions I put out in the announcements, which you can see again here and also in your email. These are the videos for the first week, and then our discussion where you're supposed to make a post. And so this might look a little different for you now that I think about it. So let me go into the student preview mode. Maybe it displays each thing one at a time and you have to kind of click through them. So modules, module 1. All right, and so, no, it's listed all there. So you'll just go, this icon means it's an assignment you're submitting. These icons means it's links to websites, in this case to YouTube. This is your discussion board link. Your chapter 1 notes, another link. These are your textbook readings for this week. Your due dates again for week 2. Your chapter 2 lecture notes, some info, some videos to look at, and then of course some fun things to play around with. And so that's what's up there right now. So in order to access your group, and there's also going to be another assignment in a minute. I got to put it up still, but the one that I mentioned to you on Friday. In your actual group work, you want to click on the link that says group work, and at this point, if I were a student, it would have a list of the names of the people in your group, and it would have certain links. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's just one of the random groups we have, so you'll have your name in that list along with everyone else in your group. You can create a video conferencing link here if you all agree on a time. You can share files. You can have a discussion board post. You'll need to do that to submit your first assignment, which is for the group to the second project, which is the atomic line, periodic table timeline. So your first assignment on that as a group is to make a discussion post that says what everybody wants to do, what role you want to have based on the description that I provided in the assignment under modules. Then you can also send an email to everybody to get everybody started working on the project. Okay, so that's where you find everything. It's either under modules and then whichever week we're in, or Alex is where your Alex assignments are, or group work to contact people that you're supposed to be working with. The other way to follow along is to check the calendar, and so no one, basically this has all the office hours. It has due dates for Alex. It has due dates for, like, you have discussion board posts that are supposed to be done by tomorrow, and so that kind of stuff is being included as reminders in the calendar if you click on that as well. So lots of ways to follow along with what's due when, and mostly the assignment submission is done through the modules folder or through Alex, and hopefully that clarifies. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out.